Okay, so now let's learn how limit works in MySQL. So in this, what we are going to do is we are going to apply limit in select queries. Normally what happen whenever you run a simple select query, that is select star from select star from any table employee, let's say select star from employee. Okay, if you do this, so after running this particular function, let me copy and show you what's the problem I'm trying to address here is you have written a query, and in this query just you have written select star from employee, right? Nothing else you had given. And if you are going to run it, what will happen? It is going to show you all the records which are present in the specific table, which is employee table. Now this particular table, which is employee table, has very limited number of records, just 7 records, so you are able to see it very properly and very regularly. But imagine if it had around 20,000 record or 50,000 record, then it will be very problematic to manage it. And in that case, all the records are going to be shown in one go, and everything will be all over. You will not be able to locate the specific record that you are looking forward for, or any kind of filtration, that is something you are having in your mind. So that's a problem. Now, how to address that problem? You want to access only some specific number of records by running a query. If you want to extract only some specific number of records by running a query, then we utilize limit. Now how limit can be applied? So just you have to write a simple select query, and after writing the simple select query, you have to use limit. And with limit, you have to mention how many records you want to fetch. So you want to just fetch 4 records from it, so mention 4 here and just run it. As you are going to run it, you can see the 4 records has been fetched by using this limit function. So it is going to fetch top 4 records. If you are mentioning 3 here, so it is going to fetch top 3 records also. All right. So this is how it is. It works. Now next thing is if you do not want to extract top 4 record or 4 record from the top or n record from the top, you just want to select n number of record starting from a specific location. So let me again show you another example where you have this so you have this data available, okay, and in this record let's say you are just running the entire query again. So now in this entire exercise, you can see around 7 records has been shown. Now if you are applying limit is equal to 3, that means top 3 record will be shown to you, or limit is equal to 4, then top 4 records will be shown to you. But you do not want to pick up the record like starting from the very beginning. You want to start selecting the record starting from maybe second record or third record, something like that, starting from second record and pick up 3 record after that. So if you want to do this operation, you can perform limit having offset added to it. So what I am doing, I am again selecting 4 record, but with an offset of 1. That means starting from location number 1, select 4 record after that. So when you are going to run it, you can see this is the result where we have started from first record, that is this is 0th index. So this is first index, so starting from first record and picking up 4 after that. If you are going to put it 2, then you can again see the impact of it. If you are putting it 2, then it is starting from index number 2 and going till 4 records after that. Alright, so this is how limit works. Okay, so thank you.